How to sign up for Scotia Bank Online. Hi everybody, if you're wondering how you can do it, this video we are going to teach you, so let's just dive right into the video. So for that, you can go ahead and type in Scotia Bank into your browser, or you can download the app and directly head over to the browser if you're using the browser. Once you are here, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So what you need to do next is, at the top of this page, you should be finding a sign in option right in the middle. All you need to do is just go ahead and tap on it, and when you do that, it will lead you to another interface, which is this one right here. So all you need to do is enter up your username or card number here in this space section. After that, here right below, you can use up a password in order to log in into your account, and just go ahead and tap on the sign in option. If you don't have a username and password, you can tap on the set them up now. You can tap on this option, and when you do that, you can just go ahead and select your account type, fill up this form, your account type and everything, enter the card number, and then go on with the process of setting up your account online. Once that is done, continue with the process, and once everything is done, your Scotia Bank Online account should be created. So that is it for now. That is how you basically sign up, or let's say set up your account on Scotia Bank Online. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.